Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these Schizanthus dwarf bouquet mix. I'm really looking forward to growing these because you can grow these as a greenhouse, as a house plant as well. It's going out into your borders. It's a half-hardy annual. And it says here, if we can read that, sow in pots or trays of moist compost, cover with a very fine sprinkling of vermiculite. Keep at between 20 to 25 Celsius, 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. After sowing, do not exclude light as this helps germination. Keep the surface of the compost moist but not waterlogged. Germination usually takes 14 to 21 days, although check regularly as seedlings occasionally germinate earlier. Aftercare: when large enough to handle, transplant seedlings into 7.5 cm 3-inch pots or trays, gradually acclimatise to cooler conditions before planting out after all risk of frost has passed. Transplant 12 inches apart. Prefers a sheltered sunny site and a moist well-drained soil. Can also be sown in August and September for early summer flowering next year. Overwinter plants in cool, light, frost-free conditions before planting out the following spring, or growing as a greenhouse plant. So yeah, let's get these open, shall we? There's 140 seeds in here, so plenty. What shall we? Get out a little bit. Yeah, I'm using peat-based compost. It's got a little bit of vermiculite mixed in by mistake, but that's not the end of the world. And these, there you go. Put them on there, so you can see those. Quite big seeds, so it should be quite easy to sow. All you want to do then is just get your hand and just give it a tap all the way up and down. Get them all nicely spread out. Once that's done like so, all I tend to do is just give them a little water from the top and put them over here into my tray. Hi monkey! Monkey's alright, never lifts the floor though. As you can see today, I've got the heater turned off at the moment. It's 11.6 and it's 72% humidity. It's pretty high. So yeah, go in my tray there until they're watered through, and then just a quick spin back round. Then the lid will go on with the name tag, and then we shall place them around here like these are. This is my heated bench with my lights. They shall go, I'll take these out, and they shall go there along with my tomatoes. I've got spring onions, all sorts in here, absolute petunias, penstemons. So yeah, that's where they'll go. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be putting on these beautiful, can I pronounce it correctly, Schizanthus dwarf bouquet mixed. These are Thompson & Morgan. Just get you, this is 140 seeds. Dwarf mixed. I'll just get the see if I can get a little bit better. It says there, sow in pots or trays of moist compost and cover with a very fine sprinkling of vermiculite. Keep at temperatures between 20 and 25 Celsius, 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. After sowing, do not exclude light. Just helps germination. Keep the surface of the compost moist but not waterlogged. Germination will usually take 14 to 21 days, although check regularly as seedlings occasionally germinate earlier. When large enough to handle, transplant seedlings into 7.5 cm 3-inch pots or trays. Gradually acclimatise to cooler conditions before planting out after all risks of frost. 30 cm 12 inches apart. Prefers a sheltered, sunny site and a moist, well-drained soil. Can also be sown August to September for early summer flowering next year. Overwinter plants in cool, light, frost-free conditions before planting out the following spring, or grow on as a greenhouse pot plant. So after that, we shall get these pricked out and potted on. I think I might be using some toilet roll tubes because I've got some petunias left to do. So I think I'll use some of these into toilet roll tubes. So I'll just get those ready. Won't be a second. So yeah, I've got my toilet roll tubes ready now. All you need to do with these is some compost. These are a bit damp, these toilet roll tubes, because they've been on the floor in the greenhouse. But get you some. This is off a brush. that rotted. So nice round piece of dowel or a hammer shaft, anything like that. Couple inch in the bottom, and then give it a really good tap down. Then you end up with a nice plug at the bottom like that. Then all you'd have to do then is then top it up like so. Fill it to the top. Give it a little press down, not too firm, because you want to be able to plant some plants in there. That'll circle nicely. I'll just do a couple more. Like I said, a couple inches of compost into the bottom. Here's my compost at the side. So you've got a flat bottom of your piece of wood, your dowel. Then give it a really good tap down, and then just top it up like so. Takes a little bit of time, but I save these all year, my total tubes, to get my neighbours to save them for me as well, because they always come in handy. Because in a tray like this, probably fit in 40, between 35 and 45 in here, so you get plenty, well, probably between 30 and 40, so you get plenty of space in a normal tray. It's really good, really enjoy doing it. Plus you're using organic, using something organic that is going to biodegrade into the garden, not cause any toxins or anything. It's not going to be bad for your garden, and you can transplant them and plant them exactly where you want them then. So that's that one done. I'll just do a few more and then I'll get back to you. Right, just got, whoops, there's it falling over, excuse me, get that in there. Got another 3 or 4 to do. Just these are ones from the kitchen roll, towels at the kitchen, obviously. Just cut in half, and just top it with compost. Jam it in there. These 3 should be alright, these last 3. Hope everybody's keeping alright with what's going on in the world at the moment. It's terrible what's happening over there. That's why I come in here, take my mind off things, relax, and get some seeds sown. These Schizanthus, cannot wait, dwarf mix. These flowers on these are absolutely divine. Just get a bit more compost, nearly done. Last couple. Yeah, I'll show you these once I get them potted on. More to do. Should be okay then. You want enough when you're doing this in your seed trays. I'm using a peat-free compost at the moment, which is pretty good. It's Westland Grow More, I think it's called. I can't quite see the name tag on it, sorry folks. I got it from Wilco though. But yeah, just get another 2 I think. Right, this is the last one, just in there like so. And that just stops moving about as much then. I'll probably get another one in that corner actually. That a bit later. So yeah, I'll just push that out of the way. So that's these done. What we need to do then is, right, I think I've got this set up nicely now. All we need to do now is just get these out of the way there. And then we have our plants here. Let's get them out of the way. We have our Schizanthus. This is dwarf bouquet mixed. That's the name tag. So I'll stick that in there. What we need to do then is get us pen. Get us pen here. And just underneath. And get as much soil as you can out with them. Like so. You can see nice root system here. Let's get this around here. Hi monkey. Hi Paul. All we need to do then is gently divide them. That one's grown into a big piece of bark. There's 2 here as well. So all we need to do then make a hole with a pen or finger, gently in like so, and then a little bit of compost around there. You don't want to damage, you want to try your best not to damage the roots because you're quite delicate on here. Around like so, and a bit more around there, and that's the first one in. And the next one There's the one here, so I'll put that one next to it. And like so. There's a bit of compost around there. I shall give these a feed. I'll water them first and give them liquid feed, some tomato feed then, once they're all planted. So I shall get back to that in a second. Right, just got the last two now. So I'll put these in here, one there, this one, and the next one. So get them by the leaves if you can, like so. You only need to do a little bit of compost around it, just to hold it steady, keep it in the middle. Same with this one. And all you need to do then is, once they're all transplanted like so, all I'll do then is give them a little bit of water. I'm not going to give them too much because I'm going to water these. Give them just enough so they don't dry out. But I'm going to water these and feed them when I've got all my petunias in place. So that is basically how to transplant and put on your Schizanthus dwarf mix bouquet mix. These are from Thompson & Morgan, and I cannot wait to get these to flower. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on these beautiful. These are Schizanthus dwarf bouquet mix. As you can see, these are going really, really well. I'm going to be taking them out of these, going in these tote roll tubes at the moment. Just get the light on here, because that's a little bit better. Then I'm going to take them out of these tote roll tubes, plant them into these 9cm pots. I'm using a peat-based compost. I'll show my little stand here. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Just get it set up here. Hopefully, a little bit better. Yeah, I'll get some compost first. Right, these are what I'm using. These beautiful 9cm pots. All you need to do with those, a bit of compost in the bottom, like so. And then what we need to do with these is select some of these. I've actually got some tied in here, which I need to take the wires off. Get the cane out there, that's better. These have grown really, really tall. I want to show you some here. As you can see here, really nice root system on there, on this one. Really nice, healthy root system. Just going to break a little bit of that off the bottom, just so it fits in my pots here. And then all we need to do then is take your pots like so. This needs to fit, like to be the same level, which that is. And then all we need to do then is a little bit of compost all the way around, so you get it nice in the middle. Get a good tap down. That's number one. All I'm going to do with that is my cane here, just gives it a little bit of support. I can tie that in. But as you can see, getting my first flowers on these, which are absolutely amazing. You can just see that there. That's my Schizanthus, the first flower. I'm so proud of that. But these are going to be absolutely outstanding. That's one done. Put that to one side. We get another one over here. Oops, nearly knocked it over. Yeah, another one. A beautiful, that's just slightly pinker flower. Oh, today's it. That's what you do when you're not using a proper stand. Sorry about that, folks. Try and get it a bit more level. That's it, yep. This one, see it there. That is a little bit better. That flower, absolutely outstanding. Get another pot, like so, in the centre. And just fill it in all the way around. when these have been done like this, what you need to do then is give them really good water and a feed. Number 2, put them to one side. Yeah, give them a really good water and really good feed. And that's how to put them on. I've got a few more of these to do, so it's going to take me a little bit longer. Yeah, that's how to put on your Schizanthus. And they're called bouquet mixer dwarf variety. As you can see here, growing really, really healthily. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey. Bye, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye.